welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be making a delicious keto cheesecake. It's the best cheesecake I've ever had. It's so easy to make and you just need a few ingredients. So let's go ahead. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And now we're gonna need a cheesecake pan, and we're gonna put 1 cup of almond flour, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm gonna use some brown sugar erythritol. So I'm gonna start by putting 1 tablespoon, but to be honest, this is more like to taste, so like as much sweet as you want, right? And I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. Let's put 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now that we have all our ingredients in the bowl, we're just gonna mix them all together till we have a nice crumble. All our ingredients are combined, and now we're gonna flatten our dough into the bottom of the pan. Since I have really long nails, I got my husband to help me out with that. So this is how our cheesecake crust should look like. It's so flat, and yeah, just pop it into the oven for around 7 minutes, or until it's golden crisp. There you go. So the 7 minutes have passed, and we're gonna take out our cheesecake crust. So as you can see, it is ready. It has a nice golden color to it, and we're just gonna let it sit here until we make our filling. So for the filling ingredients, we just need a few. So it is 2 bars of cream cheese, and 2 bars, it's equal to 16 ounces. Half a cup of erythritol, granular erythritol, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and a pinch of salt, and that's it. We're gonna start by adding our cream cheese. With a mixer, we're gonna make it soft. So ideally, the cream cheese has to be room temperature. Once our cream cheese is creamy like this, we're gonna add our erythritol and mix it. Now we're gonna crack our eggs, add the vanilla as well, a pinch of salt, and we're gonna mix everything together. So after mixing all the ingredients together, this is how the mix should look like, a thick liquid. So now that we have our crust and our filling, we're gonna put all the filling into the crust. So now we're gonna pop this baby into the oven for around 25 to 30 minutes. And yeah, just put an alarm for 25 minutes, check on it. If it's ready, bring it out. If not, wait a little bit longer. And the last step for our cheesecake, it's gonna be the topping for it. We're gonna make a strawberry cheesecake. So all I have in here is a bowl full of frozen strawberries. And we're gonna need some erythritol to taste. So I'm gonna turn off my stove on medium heat, and in a pan, I'm gonna put all my strawberries in there and add 2 tablespoons of erythritol. Now, we're just gonna let the strawberries melt, and we'll come back to them. So the 5 minutes have passed, and this is the result. All our strawberries are melted. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab like a potato smasher, and we're just gonna squish all the strawberry. So now that our puree is ready, we're gonna turn the heat up to high and let it boil. But we have to stay right next to it, making sure that it doesn't stick to the pan, okay? We want this to be thick as a jam, so just let it boil until you reach the desired consistency. So it reduced now and should look like a thick jam like this, and what we're gonna do now is just set it aside, let it cool for a bit until our cheesecake is ready. So our 25-minute timer just rang and we're gonna check on our cheesecake. As you can see, it's still pretty liquidy in the middle. So we're gonna pop it inside again and let it bake for another 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes have passed, we realized it was not ready, so we added a few more, like 5 more minutes. And now our cheesecake is ready. And you can tell that it's ready because like it's not liquidy anymore. And it's also like brown on top, so we're gonna let it cool now and then top it with our berry jam. Our cheesecake has chilled for about an hour and it's time to put our topping now. Now that it's all spread all over the cheesecake, we're gonna let it cool for a few more minutes and then we're gonna put it in the fridge for around 2 to 3 hours and then it's all done. So the cheesecake has chilled in the fridge for a couple hours and it's ready. So now we're just gonna open the bowl and look at this beauty. I'm gonna cut a piece and let's try it out. I'm so proud of the layers, just look at them. Yum. So I have the cheesecake here. Let's try it out. This is so good. It's really, really good. You guys should try it at home. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys make the cheesecake and you enjoy it a lot. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the bottom, and yeah, see you next time guys.